Hi, today I will tell you how much money I spent on 3D printing in 2021. I'm Medic3D and I do a lot of 3D printing related stuff. In 2021 I've spent $655 on my hobby. Let's check on what exactly. I will also talk about my earnings and plans for the future. This is a list of the all stuff I bought in 2021 by date. I am from Poland, so I use PLN, but for needs of this video I converted everything to dollars using exchange rate 1 zloty is equal to 0.25 USD. There are 5 categories, each marked with different color. Consumable is the filament mostly, but also Zilla grip, paints, glue and the Bumblebee helmet model bought from Nico. Hardware are parts for both my FDM printers. Support is money I gave to other creators or charity. In the tool category there are obviously all the tools related to 3D printing and video making. The biggest spending is $281 on consumable items. In this group the biggest part is, as usual, the filament. I spent $155 on almost 12 kilo of plastic, which means that on average I pay $13 per kilo. On the second place is the hardware for my Prusa printer. This is mostly because of $121 spent on ProRifi 3D i3 upgrade kit, which are the new motors for XY axis. It would make more sense to buy a beer upgrade frame from Zaribo, for example, but I wanted to check this new magic solution. I am still waiting for the order to be shipped. I will do a video about those motors as soon as possible. I would also like to mention the support category. I almost reached my last year goal. 10% of all my spending should go to this category. The majority of it was the TeamSys support. If you haven't heard about it, they remove a pound of trash from the ocean for every $1. For me, the goal was to donate more than enough to remove all the filament I bought this year. As I mentioned earlier, I got almost 12 kilos, which is about 26 pounds, so by spending $45 I almost doubled my goal. I also donated $5 to Amazonia saving campaign created by the band Gojira. I am pretty confident that it was all money well spent. Now let's see in which shop I spent the most money. This year it is also Allegro. For non-Polish viewers, this is a Polish equivalent of Amazon. I tend to buy there because I have a free shipping using Allegro Smart, which is like Amazon Prime. Then is the ProRifi 3D with the motors upgraded I already talked about, and then eNotepad, where I bought 3 kilos of filament for printing this Bumblebee helmet. In 2020 I spent $677 on 3D printing, so almost the same as the last year. Maybe this year I will buy a resin printer or Zaribo upgrade for my Prusa. Let me know, what should I do? I treat 3D printing as a hobby and I do not accept paid orders, but I do favors from time to time. Let's talk about money I was able to earn on 3D printing. First of all, I received a $5 tip via Mini Factory from Tinbanger. Very nice and unexpected gesture. Thanks a lot. Some of you have clicked on my AliExpress affiliate links and thanks to that I earned $67. Currently my account balance is $125 and in the 2020 it was $57. I am not the biggest fan of China, but there are items that are only produced there. I can buy them locally, but in this case I am just paying some extra money to the middleman. I think we all should change our mindset before it's too late. A quick info about AliExpress affiliate links. Even if you don't want to buy anything at this exact moment, you can click the link. By doing so, the referee's ID will be stored in your browser cookies and will be used on your next purchase. I am below 1000 subs on YouTube, so for 37 videos I made last year I earned $0. Just to clarify the common misconception, YouTube is not giving you any opportunity to get paid. They just allow you to upload your content to their servers and kindly share a portion of their ad revenue. I created 37 videos of total length 3 hours, 2 minutes and 41 seconds. To give you a perspective how much work it is, let's assume that I spent 10 minutes for every minute of the video. That means that I worked for 30 hours. All my videos are also uploaded to Library and Odyssey and you can watch them there for free without any commercials. If you sign up there you can receive library credits for watching the videos and tip your favorite creators. Last year I was able to gather almost 300 library credits, which is about $9. My Buy Me a Coffee and all other platforms brought me $0, same as YouTube. So my total income related to 3D printing in 2021 was $80. And to be clear, 3D printing is my hobby, so I am supposed to be only spending money on it. The fact that it generates income is ridiculous. Here you can see my YouTube and library statistics. They are pretty self-explanatory, so you can figure it out on your own. And there is also my Prusa i3 Mark 3S printer statistics, so I can compare them next year. Except for doing more awesome 3D prints, I also plan to do videos about my printers and upgrading them. Can't wait for those Pro-Reefy stepper motors. I would be more than excited to reach 1000 subs on YouTube this year, and according to the Social Blade predictions, it should be doable. I will do my best to hit that milestone, and you can help by subscribing, posting a comment and liking my videos. But what's the most important? Just enjoy watching my content. I plan to make a giveaway to celebrate reaching 1k subs on YouTube, so stay tuned. Thanks for all your support, it really means a lot to me. Let me know what you would like to see, tell me what you think about buying a resin printer. If you created 3D model and would like me to print it, just let me know. Watch my other videos, they are right here waiting for you. And remember to visit odyssey.com and support library idea of sharing digital art and be the part of changing the way content is discovered, publicized, paid and delivered. To sobie nagadałem. To koniec.